Hello, kindergartners! Welcome to a great day of math with Miss Ronigan. We have been practicing our tiny tumblers. Now, these tiny tumblers all start out at the top at Math Mountain, and we have to figure out and practice drawing our circles to represent the number on each side. Now, remember, when these tiny tumblers roll down Math Mountain, they start at the very top, and they roll all the way to the bottom. So when we draw our circles, we always start by drawing that circle really nice at the very, very bottom. Now, when the tiny tumblers roll down Math Mountain, they roll right against the side. So make sure that when you draw your circles, they're not floating in the air, but they are right on the lines for our tiny tumblers. Now let's practice. Whenever we draw our tiny tumblers, do we draw them in triangles? What about squares? Ooh, rectangles. What about circles? Yes, we draw circles. So let's take a peek at this number at the top. What's this number? 10. What is this number on the side? 9. Now this is a lot of tiny tumblers that are going to be on this side of the mountain. So we really have to try our best and do small circles. Count with me as I draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! I fit them all in. I tried my best and I made them nice and small. Now take a peek at the other side. What's this number? 1. All right, I need one circle. There it is. Now if I have 9 on this side, 9 is 1 more than 9, 10. It sure is. It's always great to double check. Let's do another one. What's the number at the top? 10. All right, here we go. Let's draw our circles for the bigger number. Which one's bigger? Whisper it to me, 8 or 2? You're right, it's 8. Here we go, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! You can do it too. I believe in you. What's our next number again? 2. Let's draw really nice 2 circles. Count with me. 1, 2. Remember, they always touch that line as they roll down the mountain. Make sure that we're not doing any crazy circles because then we can't count and your teacher can't count how many circles you draw. So make sure that they are really nice circles. Let's do one more together. At the very top of Math Mountain is the number 10. Now let's start with the bigger number first so we can really practice drawing all of those circles. Which one's bigger, 7 or 3? You're right, it's 7. Now count with me as I draw my circles. 1, I start at the bottom. 2, 3, I'm getting too big. 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, I made it. Now we need to draw the other side. How many are there over here? There's 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now let's double check that these two numbers at the bottom equal the number at the top. And there were no more tiny tumblers hiding up at Math Mountain. Let's start with this roll first. 7. Put 7 in your brain and let's count on. 8, 9, 10. So do these two numbers equal 10? Yes, they do. Does this number equal 10? Yes, it does. Let's try the numbers 8 and 2 to double check. Now, first we start with this long row. There are 8. There's put 8 in your brain, and let's count on. 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. We saw that 9 plus 1 equals 10. We also saw that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Do we think that 6 plus 4 equals 10? Ooh, let's draw the quick circles to make sure. Count with me as we draw my 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I bet I could have drawn some of those a little bit nicer. And I bet when we practice today, you can too. Now we need to draw 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, put 6 in your brain. 6. Now let's count on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that equal the number up here? It sure does. So I also know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. Look at all of those different ways that we can represent and make the number 10 using our tiny tumblers. Awesome. Thank you for your help. We also have our friend Puzzle the Penguin with us today. Everyone say hi, Puzzle Penguin. Now, right now, Puzzle Penguin is really hungry. Puzzle Penguin is right here. And Puzzle Penguin wants to have some yummy, yummy fish for some food today. But he needs to swim to be able to get to our fish. And our fish is right over here. By our fish is what number? The number 8. So we need to help Puzzle Penguin swim to get to our fish, but he only can follow the partners of 8. Remember, a partner is 2 numbers together that equal another number. So we have to help him swim through the ocean to try to find that fish, but he only can swim through things that are numbers of 8. So let's start. Here is Puzzle Penguin. I'll give him a big circle. Now we want to start by finding a partner of 8. So let's start over here. 2 plus 3. Think it in your brain and show me on your fingers. What does that equal? All right, if you're holding up the number 5, you're right, because 3, 4, 5. It equals 5. Is that the number 8? No, it's not, so you can't go that way. What about 4 plus 4? Count it in your brain, count it on your fingers, represent it, hold up the number on your fingers. All right, do you hold up the number 8? Let's try it. Put 4 in your brain and let's count up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does equal 8. Okay, so we can go this way. Let's try the next one. So there's Puzzle Penguin. He was doing some circles. Let's go on over. 4 plus 4. It's the same one. So put 4 in your brain and let's count up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that equal 8? Yes, it does. Woo! He's doing some circles. Let's try this next number. 6 plus 2. Now, which number is bigger, 6 or 2? All right, put 6 in your brain and let's count on. 7, 8. Is that a partner of 8? It sure is. He likes to do his circles. Let's keep going. Over here. 5 plus 4. Which number is bigger, 5 or 4? All right, put 5 in your brain and let's count on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that a partner of 8? No, it's not. So we can't go through that iceberg. To go around. All right, let's come over here. Can we go through this way? Which number is bigger, 5 or 3? All right, put 5 in your brain and let's count on. 6, 7, 8. Is that a partner of 8? It sure is. He can do some circles. Oh, I hope we're getting close to the fish. Let's see if this is a partner of 8. 7 plus 1. Think in your brain. Give me a thumbs up if it's a partner of 8. Thumbs down if it's not. Well, I hope your thumb is facing up because then you'd be right. It is a partner of 8 because 7 and 1 more makes 8. Yay! He got to our fish. I bet he would do so many circles, maybe some flips out of the air, whoop, 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 because he would be so happy and so excited to be able to eat his fish, especially when he's hungry. Wow, thank you for helping me help Puzzle Penguin get all the way through the ocean to find his delicious fish. Wonderful. That was a fun maze. Now you're going to get out your math workbook page. We're going to be practicing some of these skills we've been working on, so I cannot wait to see all of your great work. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up a pencil and write your name. I'm going to write Miss R right now. Make sure your name looks really nice. Then, just like you helped me practice, and we practiced before, we get to draw the tiny tumblers on the math mountains. Make sure you double check that number at the very top and make sure that the 2 partners down below match. Make sure also that the circles you draw on each side matches the number at the very bottom because that's how many tiny tumblers rolled or tumbled down the hill. We've done this before and we practiced it today, so I know that you can do a fantastic job. Don't forget to draw circles and not just some squiggly lines. Try your best and keep it right on the line. Then down below at number 2, it says write the numbers 1 through 20. I know you can do it. Double check them so they're not backwards. Really keep an eye on the number 5, which is right up above. 5. The number 7, which is right there. And the number 9. Make sure those ones, oh, it's right there, are not backwards. So you can look up above to double check. When you're all done with the front side, flip it over. Oh, on the back, this is our new friend Kate. And we have to help Kate find the gate. Rhyming words. She needs to find the partners of 8. Another rhyming word. Just like when we helped Puzzle Penguin find the fish, you need to help Kate go through the maze to find the gate using partners of 8. So start where Kate is. you need to go through any partners that equal 8. Let's try this first one to see if it actually equals 8 or if we have to go somewhere else. All right, here it's 5 plus 3. So put 5 in your brain. Let's count up 3, 6, 7, 8. Is that a partner of 8? It sure is. Now you have to decide, does Kate need to go this way or does she need to go this way? I want you to try it all by yourself. You're going to practice going through the maze with Kate to get to the gate. Only go through that passageway if it's a partner of 8. Don't get tricked. You might make some wrong turns, and that's okay. Just use your eraser. When you're all done, complete those seesaw activities and have the best rest of your day. I had so much fun doing math with you this week. I love you and I miss you.